Why do most people avoid thinking? It's not because people are stupid. The most people are very capable of performing this scary task. They avoid it because opinion just feels identical to thinking, at least from the inside. Plato understood this problem over 2000 years ago, and he thought that it was fatal to the soul. Before we will go any further, we should talk about now where the confusion is actually coming from. Plato made sharp distinction between episteme and doxa, between opinion and knowledge. Opinion isn't random. Opinion is structured, it's shared, it's reinforced socially, and that is why it feels convincing. Most people aren't lying to themselves, but they are simply mistaking familiarity for truth. And think about it now. Why is the opinion so seductive? Well, opinion has three major advantages over thinking. First of all, it's fast. Second, it's socially rewarded. And third, it doesn't isolate you. Thinking does the exact opposite thing. Thinking slows you down. Thinking just puts you at odds with what everyone else accepts without question. That's why most people defend their opinions, and not because they are necessarily true, but because losing them simply would cost too much. Plato actually warned people, and people unfortunately just keep forgetting. First of all, Plato wasn't really worried about false beliefs. Those are really not that scary as you might think. He was worried about unexamined ones. Because simply false belief can be corrected, but unexamined belief just feels complete. That's the real danger. When opinion feels finished, thinking never even begins. It never gets even a chance. If your beliefs feel obvious, if they are natural, if they feel beyond question, Plato would say here that it's not knowledge. That's where the work is just supposed to start.